Michelle Sisto, and I got interested in ABA way long time ago at University of Hawaii at West Oahu, where a psychology teacher brought in an ABA therapist and gave a talk. And I was graduating and needed a job, and I tried and I got a job. And my first client pulled their hair, didn't have any communication, and so I taught myself, him, and his mom and brother sign language, and it really helped. And it was an aha moment for me, and so I just loved it, and it became a passion for me ever since. I've been coming to Seattle since 1993, 1992. And every time I'd pass by this school, I would be like, I want to go to that school. So finally, the opportunity, the timing was right, everything was great. This is the only school I applied to for graduate school. I live local in Burien, and worked. So the online was a perfect fit. UW is in my backyard, and I love this school. Relationships. I think my relationships with some of the professors, Dr. Bravo, Robin, my relationships with the students have been super supportive. Right now I'm part of a small cohort that is doing a capstone. And just the way that I'm learning how to produce a proposal as a graduate student has been tumultuous. It's been a grind, it's been happy, it's been everything. You know, it's been late. Some of it's been on time. But I think just that whole process and having a professor also learn with you, because this is like, you know, the first phase of that. The next group coming in, it's going to be standard, I think. It's required. So this learning process has really brought to light, you know, what needs more support and what needs more clarity and what needs more alignment. And working together like that has been a really aha moment for me, the whole process. It's been good.